What do platinum markings look like? If you have ever wondered what those tiny stamps on platinum jewelry and watches mean, you are in the right place. Let's talk about platinum markings, also known as hallmarks, and what they reveal about your precious items. These markings are essential for confirming the purity and authenticity of platinum. First, platinum hallmarks usually have a unique shape around the purity number. A common design resembles a house or a shield. Inside this shape, you will find a number that indicates the purity of the platinum in parts per thousand. For example, if you see the number 950, it means that the item is 95% pure platinum. Unlike gold, which uses carats to measure purity, platinum uses this percentage system. Other common purity marks include 900, 850, and sometimes 999, which indicates 99.9% pure platinum. However, the 950 mark is the most recognized standard for fine platinum jewelry. In addition to the purity number, you might also see a sponsor or maker's mark. This mark identifies the company or individual who submitted the item for testing. There is also an Assay office mark, which shows which official office tested and certified the metal. In the United Kingdom, for example, these marks can be represented by symbols such as a cat's head for London or an anchor for Birmingham. Sometimes, you may find a date letter that indicates the year of hallmarking or a traditional orb symbol that denotes platinum purity. These additional markings help provide more context about the item's history and authenticity. Now, where can you find these markings? Typically, they are located inside rings on the inner band or on tags attached to necklaces and bracelets. For watches, you might find them on the case back or inside the case. Since these stamps are often very small, using a magnifying glass or jeweler's loupe can help you read them clearly. In many countries, including the United Kingdom, hallmarking platinum became mandatory under the Hallmarking Act of 1973 for items over a certain weight. This legislation ensures that consistent standards are maintained. Other countries may have different hallmarking systems, but the presence of a purity number and maker's mark is a common feature worldwide. For buyers and collectors of platinum jewelry and watches, recognizing these markings is vital. They confirm the item's authenticity and quality. Jewelers also relying on these hallmarks to assess value and verify metal content. When purchasing second-hand or vintage platinum pieces, checking for these marks helps you avoid counterfeit or lower-quality metals. In summary, platinum markings are small but essential stamps that include a purity number inside a distinctive shape, along with maker and Assay office marks. They provide a reliable way to identify genuine platinum items in jewelry and watches.